So, this is the Alfrejan Metro Station. I'm going to go to Batuta Mall. I'm the only one here on this side. Walang tao. Tingnan niyo. Kasi the train just left. So, punta ako ng Batuta. I need to do something there. And then, uwi ulit. So, ito yung Alfrejan Metro Station. The train just left. So, wala pang tao. I have to wait 4 minutes. May dumating. So, yan. Waiting for the train. It's still 2 minutes left before the train comes. So, I want to be here sa first. So, sa dito sa Dubai, yung metro stations or yung mga train, they have parts that are only for women and children. So, I would be staying there. Yan. Para yan sa mga babae at saka mga bata. So, kung ikaw ay lalaki and then you're going to be caught na nandito ka sa sa women and children section, you will have a fine of 100 dirhams. So 100 dirhams is 1,600 peso. So that's why you have to pay attention kasi meron silang cabin just for women and children.
Your attention please. The train to Center Point will arrive at platform 1.
So my train is coming. So itong train na to, wala siyang driver. Driverless na train. I will be the driver. So from Alfrejan Metro Station, I have to go down to Jebel Ali na Metro Station, and then I have to transfer train going to UAE Exchange. Wala masyadong tao. Diba? Not so much people. So this is the Jebel Ali Metro Station. The other train is coming, going to UAE Exchange. So I better hurry up, or else I have to wait for a long time. Minutes. Also, I will take the elevator. Sa kabila, 4 minutes. Dito you have to wait for 9 minutes. That's why maraming tao na naghihintay. So this is the Jebel Ali Metro Station, and the train is already there. So I will be at the women's section again later. So ito yung Sheikh Side Road. And so it's a bit humid. So I have to take the train now. For later.
الإمارات العربية المتحدة لاستيرادها المحطة القادمة هي Ibn Battuta. The final destination of this train is UAE Exchange. The next station is Ibn Battuta.
Jebel Ali, one metro station away lang.
ابن بطوطة. الأبواب سوف تفتح من جهة اليمين. The next station is Ibn Battuta. Doors will open on the right-hand side.
So ito naman yung Batuta, Abiin Batuta Metro Station. Top. I only have 9 dirhams left on my card. Ito rin yung ano, you can ride the bus going to different places. At saka, if you want to go to Abu Dhabi, this is also the metro station, the bus station that you want to go to. So this is Batuta, the Batuta Mall, and that's all the buses here. It is very hot. I can make a shortcut, pero ang init. So, have to pass this way. That's me. So, and then when you go up, you will be in the food court. So, ito yung food court sa Batuta Mall. Look at that. They have Jollibee, Papa King, sushi, potato corner, pizza, Manila street food, almost everything that you want to eat you can find here. So I guess that's it for now. Till later, I will continue. Ito yung mall na may theme. I think they have 7 themes. So today, now we are in Persia. So this is the Persia court. So yung mga decoration nila, or if you are here, it feels like you are in Persia. So kahit na hindi ka pa nakarating ng Persia, at least you will see kung how it looks, yung mga decoration nila, or kung ano sila well known for. So there's Paul restaurant, their food is yummy there. So ito yung Persia, tingnan mo yung mall at saka ceiling, it's very nice. But I'm not going to go that way, I want to go this way. So we are now on our way to Egypt. So this is the Egypt port. So ito yung Egypt port. Actually very interesting yung design nila sa mall na to. This is one of my favorite mall kasi you can can see interesting things here. Hindi lang siya mall. But, marami kang makikita mga design and maganda siya. One. So, this is the mall. Ang bilis ko maglakad na. So, this is the Egypt Court. Ngayon naman, papunta tayo ng Tunisia. Ito naman yung Tunisia Court. See, there's another food court here. Yung isa sa second floor. Ito sa ground floor. So, malaki din siya. They have Chowking. So, this is the Tunisia Court. Diba? Interesting siya na mall. When you come here, at saka nasa loob ka, you'll never know na gabi na pala kasi you would always see the blue sky. So this is the Tunisia Court and maganda din siya. Here we go here because this is an interesting light or chandelier. Oops. So, yan. Sa Tunisia Court, you can find Starbucks, Samsung, if you want coffee, Crocs, if you want to send money, at nandito din yung Carrefour. So, that is the Carrefour. At saka isang court na naman. So this is the Fun City. My daughter was yung Andalusia Court. I don't know where is that. So, but that's how it looks there. Then yung Carrefour. So, balik tayo sa Tunisia. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo sa Persia Court. So, dito, ang Persia Court, they are more for shopping. RG&B, H&M. Yan pa lang yung makikita ko. At saka sa middle niyan, meron ding Starbucks. Dito, it's always day 2. So, ito naman yung Persia. Look at that chandelier. So this is the Persia Court. Meron yung Center Point, Starbucks, and then look at the ceiling. It's very interesting. So yan ang gitna ng Persia Court. So kung pumunta ng H&M, so till later. So balik na tayo sa food court. We'll go up again. 44 degrees daw. Oh my gosh, ang init. So, pauwi na ako. I bought some chocolate. So, yan na yung train, but I think hindi na ako makakaabot. I have to wait for a new one. I don't want to run.